Hello, I have this beautiful lace I'm about to show you. It's been in my closet about a month already, so we can make beautiful lingerie set. Let's get started. Honestly, I don't have a plan what I'm going to make first, so we're going to improvise. I definitely want the cup to be low, and we're going to use these two details to form a cup. To start, I'm going to trace these two details first, and then we are going to adjust the cups for our liking. One detail is done. Do you see this line right here? We need to add some roundness to it. And the same on the other side. Cut your details out and leave some space around, so we're going to add seam allowance later. Now it's time to trace the band detail, trace the whole detail of the front, and we're going to adjust it. Get your wire and place it on the band. If you need to add some length, that's the right time to do so. Now, the cups. Here I need to adjust one side of the cup, so I am continuing the line, basically adding the length that is missing. And just in case, check the second detail also. And the final step with the cup preparation, we need to add 1 centimeter seam allowance around the band and 0.5 centimeters to sew these two pieces together. I'm going to have this little bridge detail between the cups, so I need to mark where the bridge is going to be. You can see it on the screen. And add seam allowance also. Basically, bra pattern is ready. Now I am going to cut cup details first. To connect this all together, I was using straight stitch for that, to connect the cups, front part, the back part of the bra. And here is the thing with the back part. I do not have a lot of material to start with, so I decided to use just the straps for the bra, and I formed the back detail with that. I made it behind the camera, so I'm going to show you how I made it, and I was using the first detail as a sample to make another one. I don't think I need to comment on this part, and just put some music on and you will see everything on the screen. And here what we have, just flip it over and secure again. At the end, don't forget to add the ring for shoulder strap. Once the back details are ready, we need to attach them to the cups and sew it. Use simple straight stitch for that to connect. And the fun part of this experiment, we need to attach the tunnel for underwire. So I just measure it with underwire, and don't forget to have a little bit of extra on both sides, just for security purposes. Now we need to attach the tunnel to a cup. First we need to place the tunnel on the face of the cup, and by using simple straight stitch we going to connect it. Here we need to cut all the excess fabric that we have, and then we need to flip it on the back side and reconnect it again. I hope it helps. And stuck the underwear inside. Basically the bra is done. Add the closure, eyes and hooks on the back, and shoulder straps. If you want to add some extra details on the bra, you can do that too. And here I decided to add this little crisscross detail on the front. It's not necessary. If you don't like it, you don't need to add this. The only thing that we have to add is shoulder straps, and basically you're done. For that we need 2 rings and 2 sliders. If you don't know how long your straps should be, you can measure your straps from the existing bra that you have in your closet. To connect the straps together, I was using narrow zigzag stitch, very narrow. And here is the final result. So you can see a little bit closer the details of the bra. Please leave a comment, how do you like it? I would really love to hear your opinion. Now we need to complement the bra with the bottoms. Again, let's improvise and see what we can do. Not much to comment here. The only thing I would like to mention is that your gusset should be double lined, which means one side should be cotton and another side the fabric of your choice. As you can see, my fabric availability was limited at that time, and I decided to use the brass straps to form the back. So I figured it should work just fine, and I figured it complemented the bra in some way. Here I marked the spots where I should place the straps from the back detail, so it could be even from both sides. It is much easier to connect the straps to the first layer of the gusset, so you can do that, or you can connect all of them together. basically we are done here. The only thing we need to do is to connect elastic to our panties and sew the sides together. And here is the final result. Here's a little bit of close-up so you can see all these details of our set. Plus you can see it how it sits on the body. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.